Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making a super easy strawberry cake. This cake is light, airy and very moist and is made in no time. It's delicious and it looks beautiful and I'm sure you're going to love this cake. So stay tuned for the recipe. You will find a list of all the ingredients for this recipe in the description box. Start by weighing 3 large eggs in their shells, then use the same weight of the eggs for the flour, sugar and butter. First, preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Grease the side and the base of the mold, then flour the sides and place a round parchment paper in the bottom of the mold. Pour the butter into a large bowl. The butter should be at room temperature. If you forgot to take the butter out of the fridge, put it 30 seconds in the microwave. Add the sugar and beat until fluffy. Crack the 3 eggs. And mix well. Then add to the mixture gradually until it's well combined and fluffy. Then sieve the self-raising flour. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder if you are using self-raising flour, or 2 teaspoons if you are using all-purpose flour. I've used self-raising flour for this recipe. And beat well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, and beat well to combine all the ingredients, but don't overmix the butter. You can also use a hand whisk instead of a mixer. Divide the butter into 2 round molds as equally as possible. Then smooth the butter to make it even and leveled. And feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions. And bake at 180 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Once cooked, leave them aside to cool completely. And remove the parchment paper. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and click on the bell to receive notifications. I post videos regularly. Now for the cream, you can either use whipping cream or double cream. Shake the cream and pour it into a large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then beat until firm. Transfer the cream into a piping bag if you have one, or just use a freezing bag and cut the end. Place the cake into a plate and cover with cream. Then add the strawberry jam. For the jam, heat it in the microwave for 30 seconds, then sieve it to have a smooth jam. Decorate with strawberries cut in slices. Decorate with jam. And place the second cake on top of the strawberries. Then decorate your cake with some cream and some strawberries, or you can just sprinkle some icing sugar on top of your cake. Cut the strawberry in half and put them on the cream. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like. Decorate with jam. Et voila, this is my simple, quick and delicious strawberry cake that you can serve for any occasions. Now it's your turn to make it. Bon appétit! I hope you liked this recipe, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon for new recipes.